Hey everyone, I'm here with a brand new feature in Stackby. So we are making Stackby as closer to any other CRM platform that's out there. So with this one feature, we are already a step closer in making a Stackby a full-fledged CRM, for your business. We have seen a lot of companies and individuals use Stackby as a CRM or manage their sales pipeline, whether it's in partnerships, business development, sales, or fundraising or deal flow. They want to create a CRM of some kind, right? But before today, they did not have the ability to add activities on individual records in Stackby. So with this one feature called the activities feature, you can now create custom activities like logging a meeting, adding a note, or adding a meeting summary right into individual Stackby records. So let's see how it works. So we are in the Stack Sales CRM and we've got the opportunities tab. So if I expand this particular row, you will see that there is an activity tab here. Just click on create activity. And here there are by default 3 different activities that we have given. First, if you want to log a meeting or a call summary or a note, let's start with adding a basic note. This spoke to the customer, ICP marketing agency, team size 20 people, use case content calendar, and tools currently used would be, let's say, Google Sheets. So you will see that a note is added onto an individual record, within Stackby, and that one activity is logged. Now, this is a note that I've added. What I can do is I can set a reminder on this particular note, to follow up with this customer, maybe tomorrow or day after. So I can choose to set up like a quick reminder. And as soon as the reminder is due, you will get a notification within the application or the mobile app in Stackby. I can also create an activity, let's say, to log a meeting. So one thing that I want to do, let's say, also is, edit this particular note. I can edit it and I can also tag people. So I can see that there are mentions added. So I can just tag people, or I can just add @ Harsh, please note. So I can update this. So you will see that note is added and that particular person is tagged, and they will get a notification when they are tagged into an activity. Now, I can choose to also add a call summary. Now, the difference between a note and a call summary or a meeting is that here you can add, a date as well as a start time and an end time. So this tells you that, okay, I spoke to this particular customer for like 10 minutes. Let's say I make this 33. Right? And I can select a particular date, spoke to the customer. They will decide by the end of this week. So a call summary is now added onto this particular customer. I can also choose to add a meeting. Let's say if I have, given a demo, went well, they will internally discuss and come back. You can also choose to add all your AI call summaries, with Fireflies or MeetGeek or any of the platforms that you're using, all the meeting transcriptions, and add it here, as a custom activity. So I can do it like this. And if I want to also pin a particular comment or an activity, I can just pin it to the top. So I can do that. Or if I want to add a custom activity, let's say send proposal is a custom activity I can choose to add. a color, right? I can enable date, or, I don't need the start time. I just need date, right? So now within activity, you will see a send proposal activity is already created, and I can just basically add a date, send a custom proposal for 120 users for their marketing agency. So I can choose to add a custom activity. I can even mention people here. Let's say, Harsh, create a proposal and send for review. Right. I can even add a particular column. So where I can add that column as a variable inside, the activity. So I can add, the deal name. I can just add the column like that, and it automatically pulls in that column information right into your activities. So I can choose to create it, and that's it. So this is a custom activity that we have added into the Stackby platform. Now, this becomes a game changer for a lot of, CRM, client database, vendor database, vendor management kind of workflows, where you want to track, what did you speak to, to that customer, right? And you want to track it at the record level. So pushing the envelope again on, adding more and more CRM features in Stackby, and custom activities are the first step for us to take Stackby in that direction and help you manage your CRM workflows. So do let us know what you think about this feature. And if you have any feedback, we are constantly updating more and more features within the activity. And we are also going to add a two-way email sync, which is coming very soon, where now you'll be able to add and send emails directly from the Stackby platform, and just connect your Gmail and Outlook accounts and send and receive emails within Stackby. With that one feature, we will be a true CRM. But with activities and the email sync, I think you can manage any sort of a CRM workflow that you can think about. So let us know what you think, and you can start building your custom CRM today with Stackby. Thank you.